OnePlus already started to roll out a stable update for OnePlus devices. The OxygenOS 11 update brings a new always-on display, simplified setting page, new system font with better readability, more customization option, new gen mode themes, and a lot more. OnePlus 8T started receiving a new OxygenOS version 11.0.1.2 update. The update comes with a new canvas AOD style feature. It essentially draws a wireframe sketch of your device's lock screen wallpaper and displays the sketch when the screen is turned off. The Canvas AOD feature is currently in beta and it can be found with the wallpaper settings. How to use Canvas AOD style feature? You can find setting, then go into customization, tap on wallpapers, select Canvas. Note, this feature is only available in the latest OxygenOS 11 update. Subscribe now my channel for latest update. Like, comment and share now, and thanks for watching.